When winter hits hard, every second counts to keep your snow removal operations efficient. With the JC5000 wing plow, benefit from a simple and quick hitching system. Whether you're working alone or in a team, gain efficiency and face storms without compromise. Here's how to hitch and unhitch the wing plow in just a few minutes. Start by gathering the following tools. You'll need them throughout the procedure. First, move the wing plow with a pry bar at the wing's foot and start the truck. If you're working in a team, the procedure can be done using the joystick inside the cab. Start by activating the power takeoff and remove the cover hiding the hydraulic controls using an impact driver. Next, attach the wing foot using a pointed tool. Once the coupling is secured, install the 2 pins, ensuring they are fully inserted before securing them with clips. Then, connect the hydraulic hoses to the truck and you'll be able to position the wing in road mode. This operation can be done alone if someone is in the cab to operate the joystick. Finally, remove the roller and you're good to go. Don't forget to install the safety devices before heading out. To unhitch the JC5000 wing plow, start the truck, activate the power takeoff, and enable winter mode using the control panel. Next, lower the wing to the ground while leaving space for your roller. This operation can also be done from inside the truck using the joystick if you're in a team. Deactivate the power takeoff and release the system pressure by moving the joystick. Disconnect the hydraulic hoses from the truck and couple them together. Don't hesitate to use the wrench if the fittings are too tight. Finally, activate the power takeoff. Remove the clips and pins using a hammer at the wing's foot. Lower the wing's foot until the wing is on the ground. Move the wing away from the truck with your pry bar. And there you have it. The JC5000 wing plow is unhitched. To learn more about our solutions or to get replacement parts, trust the expertise of our team at Côté.